Hi everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 best action cameras in 2022. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. 1. GoPro Hero 10 Black. Welcome to the newest and best GoPro around. Though launched without much fanfare and looking identical to the Hero 9 Black in almost every way, the Hero 10 Black is nevertheless a significant upgrade. That's all down to its use of the all-new GP2 processor, which powers both a speedy user interface, doubles the frame rates and fuels the best image stabilization tech yet. The highlight is 5.3K video with 60 frames per second, but don't underestimate the usefulness of GoPro's new Hyper-Smooth 4.0 video stabilization, in all modes, alongside 23 megapixels photos and best ever low light performance. Add a nifty cable for super quick camera-to-app content transfer and auto-upload of videos and photos to the cloud while it recharges in the Hero 10 Black was worth the wait. It's definitely not the cheapest action camera you can buy, but GoPro is now expert at producing tough, reliable and supremely effective action cameras, and you do get what you're paying for. 2. Insta361R Twin Edition. Released at the start of 2020, the Insta361R Twin Edition is a very enticing proposition indeed, because it can be used both as an action camera and a 360 camera. Essentially it's called Twin Edition, because it's two cameras in one, coming with two lens modules that are easy to swap between. One turns it into a straight 4K action camera, the other gives it 360 shooting capability, and it's got loads of extra features too, including 5 meters of waterproofing, which can be extended with a special housing. AI-powered algorithms also augment the various shooting modes, and particularly impressive autoframe mode, which can automatically find and pick out the action in a 360 video. There is also 1-inch Leica camera mod gives you another option. You can swap out the 360 module for a high-quality action cam. The Insta361R Twin Edition is a great buy if you want to take your action camera footage in all sorts of different directions. The extra versatility does mean the mechanism and the interchangeable modules are a little fiddlier than a regular action cam, however. 3. DJI Action 2. Leading drone maker DJI forced a rethink for GoPro by introducing a front screen to their first action camera, a handy innovation for vloggers. The new Action 2 puts even more choice in the user's hands, coming as a tiny 39 by 39mm square camera core which can be operated alone or attached, by a magnetic clip, to other units which offer more connectivity, battery life and a front-facing screen. The camera has a 1/1.7 sensor and Rocksteady 2.0 and Horizon Steady image stabilization. Even paired, it is only around the size of a GoPro, though on the downside the rear touchscreen is only the size of the main camera unit. The modular system is strong, and has immense gadget value, though can get a bit hot when charging, while DJI's Mimo app makes control via your phone painless. There is an interesting new world of accessories, as well as adapters for the traditional, GoPro-style ones, making this a hard option to overlook. 4. Akaso Brave 7 La. If you need a front screen for vlogging, or to ensure you stay in shot as you film yourself skiing down a slope with a selfie stick, then this is a bargain buy. It has the same killer feature found on the GoPro Hero 9 and the DJI Osmo Action, but the second screen comes at a fraction of the cost. You get 4K shooting and 20 megapixel stills, plus a capable 6-axis image stabilization system. There is a good range of accessories in the box too, including a second battery, mounts and an underwater housing. Note, though, that unlike with many rivals you need to use this housing before you take your action cam into the water. 5. GoPro Hero 9 Black. GoPro's first action camera to feature a vlogging-style front-facing screen is now better value than ever. It allows you to frame yourself while vlogging, when used as a webcam, or just for selfies. The resolution got a boost too, with 20 megapixel stills capability and a 5 kelvins video shooting. The latter will be overkill for many, but it also allows 14.7 megapixel grabs from video, which could be hard to resist. It's also got a larger 2.27-inch display than the older GoPro Hero 8 Black, super smooth Hyper-Smooth 3.0 video stabilization, Time Warp 3.0 for handheld time-lapses, a travel case. There's also a Max Lens mod accessory that will bring GoPro Max style features like 360 horizon lock and an ultra-wide 155 Max Super View mode. Thanks for watching.